Take a moment to check out the 2018 Lincoln MKZ. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Wouldn't it be nice to take your calm place with you on every journey? You can with this MKZ. It's the refined luxury sedan that blends quiet power, the latest technology, impeccable taste, and expressive style to create an oasis of pure comfort. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, keyless start, active suspension, satellite radio, remote engine start, power driver seat, aluminum wheels. Quiet power blends with premium comfort in this expressive MKZ. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.